Hi, it's Aqua WTI, and I have found just the cutest little box. It is a mini suitcase box. Can you just imagine the possibilities? This little box has wheels. They really roll. How cool is that? I just find that so fun. I also think that it's really neat that, yes, the handle goes up and down as well. This really mimics a luggage or suitcase. This 18 pack from Framendino comes in multiple colors as well, which is really nice. This is an example of how it could be used. This is like a little first aid kit for a gift for a cruise. This has a really large capacity. To get an idea about the size, it's a little bit bigger than a deck of cards. You can see that the cards are moving around in there, so you have plenty of space to put all kinds of goodies. This would make a great party favor or gift, cruise gift, vacation gift. If you're in the travel industry, could be fun for that too. Anyone who gets this will love it and think it's really, really cool. I think this is just such a cute little box, endless possibilities of what you could do with it. And I hope you find some really fun way to use it. And that's my point of view.